Ni kurari na gikeno na undu wa mwanya muno at JCM during Kiengei's first service as a bishop. Undu aingi matigitwo matekuota kuitha gikeno kiao niguo no mbere utikirora undu ungi wa mwanya muno Karen Nyamu arikitie gwikana kuhota ngoro cia Akenya muno. Ni ukuririkana ena mwanake urakorirwo agikua during the ongoing maandamanos. Mwanake ura wakuire wa mbere tondu ni ari magikuite so far. The first victim was Rex Kanyike na nigikuo kiratigire Akenya mena marakara muno na magikaira justice for Rex. Na riu Karen nyarikitie kwiyumiria na gwika giko kia mwanya muno kuri mami wa Rex na family yake. Karen Nyamu has donated 50,000 Kenya shillings to the family. Na togo tu arakorwo akimatuga nginya na mitu undu Akenya maratigirwo makimutugire na kumukungwira na njira nene muno for her support ihinda-ini riri ritu. Na Akenya onao ni magegetie aingi muno ni uria marakorwo makiyumiria na raise over 2.4 million Kenya shillings towards the family of both Rex Kanyike and Evans Kiratu. Aria eri ni victims of brutality that have been experienced during this maandamano. Na kudos kuri Karen Nyamu. Na riu kuri ndeto ikenereirwo muno ni fans mashabiki ona ginya eroreri a kanitha wa JCM. Ni kurari na undu wa mwanya muno urahanikire between Kiengei's wife who is now Reverend Joycelyn Kiengei na kairetu ga Kezia wa Kariuki Karaniko Opa. The two were caught on camera bonding in a very lovely way, almost like a mother and daughter bonding. Na mafans magitigo magekena muno ni kuona aya eri mena ndugu ya mwanya muno. Ona ginya makiririkana uria Joy akorirwo introduce Opa during the ordination undu onago waigiriirio muno. Now yet again marakorwo makimona mahimbaneirie wega muno. Ona ginya bisha ingi Joy Kiengei arikitie kurekereria her holding hands with Opa iria onacio ciakenererwo muno tondu it's the first time Joy Kiengei to post Kezia's daughter. Undu aingi matigo makiwoya as an indication that Kezia and Kiengei's wife Joy could actually be in good terms. Ni kuona bond ino ya kairetu ga Kezia na wendo wake kuri Joy Kiengei.